Good afternoon, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, I am going to show you a beautiful 1931 Ford Model A street rod. Now, this car, it's equipped with a 350 small block Chevy engine, performance built engine, crate engine, a 700R4 automatic overdrive transmission. This car is 100% beautiful. I'm going to put this car up on the hoist here in a little bit and show you the undercarriage of this car, but you want to talk about one nice built car. Here it is, 31 Ford 5-window street rod. This car is absolutely beautiful. The car has vintage air conditioning on it. It has a highly detailed engine and engine bay, MSD distributor, MSD ignition, has dual Edelbrock 4-barrel carburetors, serpentine belt system, beautiful, flawless red paint. In my opinion, this car is flawless. This thing is so beautiful each and every way. This thing's gorgeous. Does have the rumble seat. My 4-year-old son thought this rumble seat was pretty cool. He wants to ride in it, and I told him he has to wait till an adult can ride back there with him. But beautiful car, everybody, inside, outside. This thing runs awesome. Tons of power, fun to drive. Beautiful interior, black leather door panels. Nice little pouches here in them. Beautiful black leather seat with red piping. Headliner, door panels. Southern Cal, SoCal dash. Digital odometer. Tell you how many miles are on it. 2,656 miles on it since this car was built. There's your vintage air control, your Bluetooth stereos down there with a cigarette lighter plug-in, low car pedals, billet polish steering column, tilt steering column. It's got a Billet Specialties banjo style leather wrap steering wheel, low car shifter with the shift indicator lights. This car is awesome. Awesome. Starts right up, no issues, no problems. Also has electric power windows. You just push down on the lever here, and there it goes down. There it goes up. This is a quality built car, everyone. No junk here. This thing is awesome. Oh, you just stop. Pretty cool. Henry Ford steel car. Beautiful chrome bumpers, chrome upper and lower control arms, chrome springs, chrome caliper brackets. This thing is awesome. I'd love to point out imperfections with the paint and body, but there really isn't any. This car is so nice. The glass on this car is beautiful. All the chrome, all the mirrors, the light, turn signal lights, all the stainless around the grille. Look at this. Just look at how nice this car is. And here, I haven't got to the best part yet. Here we go. There it goes. Shut the headlights off here. I'm telling you, this car runs too. It's got a lot of power. Them dual quads are set just right. Really nice quality built car. All the gauges work. If you're looking for a beautiful car, it's a show winner, guys. It really is. Get this car and buy it today and take it to a car show this weekend, and you're gonna fall in love. So will everyone else. Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kenyonauto.com, KINION We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every day. So if you're interested in this beautiful 31 Ford or maybe one of the other collector cars we have in stock, please feel free to give us a call. We'd love to talk to you. Or if you have a car you'd like to sell, give us a call. We may be interested in purchasing your car. You never know. We purchase cars all day, every day, so just give us a call. And please share our YouTube videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you never miss another great quality collector car from Kenyon Classics. I hope you all have a great afternoon, and I'll talk to you guys very soon.